COVID-19 is a disease caused by the coronavirus, and many governments and healthcare bodies worldwide are working tirelessly to combat its spread. So, what is the business impact of COVID-19 to the supply chain? The more the virus takes hold, the more it impacts health and global markets, commerce, and supply chains. What are the pain points? Manufacturers, suppliers, and all companies involved in the distribution of goods are feeling the pinch. At extraordinary times like these, any lack of resilience in the supply chain network becomes immediately evident. For many products to be manufactured, their constituent parts need to be obtained from around the world, with this particular cost making up a large part of the company's budgets. Contingency plan: for a company to react to an event like the coronavirus, that causes so much disruption, it needs to implement measures and arrange its operation, to include certain contingencies. This video will cover 4 tips on managing the impact of your supply chain, in the face of the spread of COVID-19, in 4 simple steps. Number 1. Ensure that your company sources its most commonly used materials or products from multiple suppliers. By having suppliers in Europe, America, and China, you build redundancy and resilience into your network. Of course, when a global issue like the coronavirus exists and movement is restricted, the more local your suppliers are, to you, the better. Number 2. Another step you can take is to make sure that you build a strong relationship with your suppliers. If things take a downturn and priorities have to be set, you're much more likely to be given precedence over others. Although relationships like these take time to develop, keeping in regular contact with your leading suppliers is a great way to foster a robust connection and ensure that you're at the forefront of their thoughts when making decisions. Number 3. What can also be done is to protect your supply chain, is order more materials than you need while times are good. This is a measure that requires a certain amount of forethought, but if a company stockpiles between 30 to 60 days worth of inventory, it makes it able to survive any bumps in the supply chain. This is a temporary measure, of course, but it provides a degree of certainty for any company's operation. Number 4. Plan for the worst by creating business continuity plans, with contingencies drawn up for communication, transportation, and supply elements. It's also important to not forget the people in the equation, as options like remote working arrangements and automation need to be considered to keep your operation moving when personnel levels are constraining due to coronavirus infection. To learn more, why not take the next steps? Email us today at info@cxportal.com. Contact us on telephone, +44 203 441 6513. If you like this video, don't forget to share your comments. Visit our website, www.cxportal.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on your YouTube notification to get similar videos like this.